We were talking about organizational culture. We'll now discuss traits defining culture. Culture has many attributes, many traits, and it's important to understand them. One of the first traits of a culture is the ability of the organization to promote innovation and risk taking. Some organizations are adaptive, flexible and dynamic, while others are static, mechanical, status quoist. It is the former that innovate, create and bring about novelty in the market. They take risks and make gains also. Remember the age-old adage, no risk, no gain. Another attribute of culture is that it gives the orientation for attention to detail. Organizations that are meticulous, systematic and consistent have this trait in them. They have an eye for the details, thus being thorough in their approach. Failures are alien to their culture. Whenever they take a project, they take it to the logical culmination. Outcome orientation is yet another attribute that is a result of organizational culture. Organizations that are successful and effective are focused on results. Their orientation and approach are directed towards achievement of goals. These organizations are less bureaucratic and they foster creativity. They are businesslike and they value performance. Successful organizations have people orientation. Organizations which value people generally create more value. They realize that systems and technologies can be copied, but people cannot. It is the people that give organizations the competitive advantage. Such organizations focus on people, develop them and bring out the best in them. Team orientation is yet another attribute that defines a cultural trait. Organizations that sustain successes are those organizations which promote a team culture. It is the team that brings out the best in each individual, creates synergy and makes a whole that is more than the sum of its parts. Team orientation results in collective responsibility, making every member accountable for the result. Vibrancy is another trait that is an attribute of organizational culture. The difference between the living and the dead lies in vibrancy. Organizations that are vibrant are energetic, creative and productive. In such organizations, members are active, responsive and committed. They are willing to walk that extra mile, perform over and above the call of duty and create competitive advantage for their organization. Stability is another trait that is an attribute of culture. Stability is often understood as the opposite of dynamic, but it is not so. In fact, the recommended state is dynamic and stable. Organizations that are stable emerge successful, as the markets don't allow the fickle to survive. Successes are no flashes in the pan. Rather, they are results of consistent efforts, and this consistency results from stability. These traits exist on a continuum, and it has to be understood that these traits are not all or none phenomena. They exist on a continuum from low to high. The success or failure will depend on where the organization lies on the continuum. It is also important to understand how organizational culture is significant to an organization. Culture plays a very important role in success of organizations. It determines the overall feel of the organization. However, it may vary across different segments of the organization. Culture is a powerful force that can shape an organization's overall effectiveness and long-term success.